we are today with a 1969 Honda Z50. This is an early 69. Couple indications: it has the raised tail light bracket and the silver tag on the head. Looks like the date's faded off, but it is the silver tag. You can see the silver tag. The bike's all original. It's never been touched. It doesn't look like. It is missing the tailpipe. It also has the incorrect carburetor, so the carburetors must have been replaced. But it's a Z50 car, but not for that year. Other than that, it looks all original. Even the tires, they're not dry rotted. The tires, they're about half tread. They're not dry rotted. The bars are straight, although this one's been all welded. The gas tank has some dents in it, in the front, on top. The gas tank is very clean inside. The gas tank's clean. The original seat, as they all did, it's tore. But again, this bike's original, and it starts right up and runs very well. I'll start it for you. Gas on, key on. There's no battery in it, but they don't need a battery to run. The headlight works off the magneto, so the tail light won't be working because there's no battery. But other than that, it sits there and idles real nice. Starts easy, first kick. Gotta warm it up. There it is. You meet the nicest people on a Honda.